Okay, this is my gsxr 750 go-kart. Just an updated video. Did a bunch of them when I first started, and it looks a lot different now, so just go over it real quick. If you can see them, got my gauges down in there, shift light. My I got lights on it, and I have a red LED underneath there. Let's see if I can show you. It's still kind of light out. No, maybe not. Wrong one. No, maybe they're not working. Anyways, it's kind of my fuel pump. Nobody had any real good close-up videos of how they built their kart. So, I figured maybe I'll give you a close-up. My radiator. I built the cover for it. Made a little scoop, so that way it picks up air a little more efficiently. I just recently added the vacuum gauges. That way I know how all four of my carburetors are running. It's another thing that a lot of people didn't show. This is how I did my idler sprocket. So, if you go down too low, over here, you'll hit this. It's going to break off, that's bad. So what I had to do was actually come up over it. I don't know if you can get a good view of that there though. But this was my new repair for my idler sprocket, because my first one broke. You just adjust these two here, and that'll pull that sprocket up and down. I added wheelie bars just because the bottom of the frame was getting scraped up. There's really no other purpose than that. So I redid my exhaust. Came out the center there. Close up of that. If you can see that there. This is all custom made intake. This is all made out of exhaust pipe. 2 pieces here, 4 there. My switches. That's my shifter I made. I took this piece here into work and machined it down so I could fit bearings in here to get a nice smooth shift on both sides. That's about it. I've done 150 miles an hour on it and still have 6 gear to go. So that's my update. Next time I take it out, I'll be sure to take a video.